Hello, if you just found this channel, welcome. This is Jennifer Sparks from the Traveling with Jennifer Sparks Savoy channel. I've done this video voiceover so many times because I keep changing my mind what it's about. I'm still not 100% sure. All I know is I'm trying to make a difference in the world somehow. I'm very empathic. I find peace when I'm away. I travel a lot. I'm home probably maybe a quarter of my life. I was born a Gemini and I love change. I'd be most happy if I could move every week. And sometimes I pretty much do. I travel all over the place. I'm always searching for the best deals at the best places. And I pack my bags and I go. So I made this YouTube channel to kind of showcase my stays so I can enjoy them in the future. And if I could help other people in the meantime, then that's cool too. I'm in a very good situation where my husband, he's wonderful and he supports me. This is Kelly. And I also have two girls, Sky and Star. Sky's a musician. And Star, she is something. She's a Star Wars junkie. She loves all kinds of Harry Potter stuff. They both worked at Disney World and unfortunately are laid off at the moment. That's why I spent a lot of time in Orlando. We're still here in the meantime, and they'll be moving back to Connecticut with me soon. So everybody wants to know, how do I travel or how do I get these deals? First of all, I'm very flexible. My jobs at home are very flexible where I could just pretty much in the morning when most people are doing other things, or on social media, I'm on Frontier, JetBlue, Interval International. I own a timeshare, so I'm always researching for which places are the cheapest to go when. Timeshares aren't for everyone, but at one point in my life it wasn't for me, but for now it's really paid off, really. And I'm going to make a video about that in the future. And I'll be having lots of trips coming up. I'm going to be coming back to Orlando. It is now November. I'm going to be coming back to Orlando in December and in January. And in January, I'm going to be going to Hilton Head, South Carolina. And then I have trips booked in Williamsburg, Virginia, and Atlantic City, New Jersey. And I'm not really sure what else after that, but those are my plans. And I plan on, visiting in between historic hotels I enjoy going to, bed and breakfast. It's not just timeshares. Like, I like to go anywhere. Eventually, I like to go overseas. I just haven't done that yet, but hopefully I will soon. I just got my passport and bam, COVID hit. Of course, you could thank me for that. I've always wanted to go overseas and now I can't. Well, in the meantime, I'm just going to keep traveling the U.S. like I enjoy doing so much and pumping out these videos. And if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to my channel. That would make me really, really happy. And comment. I'd love to see that people are enjoying the work I'm putting into it. It's a lot of work, but I go back and I watch them and I'm like, wow, that was really cool. So I hope you enjoy this. And if you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.